When your child has a medical emergency, getting information from a doctor usually isn't a problem.
Yeah, but if your child is 18 or older, it's not that simple. WGN's Eric Rung has tonight's cover story.
The often talked about but also often misunderstood Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, or more commonly known as HIPAA, prevents doctors from discussing anyone's medical condition if the patient is 18 or older, even with their parents, which a Highland Park family found out. The year was 2011. Joey Warsh was 18 years old and had just started his freshman year at the University of Michigan. Everything seemed to be going well until Joey's parents got a call from his roommate. Joey was curled up in a ball in excruciating pain and having trouble breathing.
I was devastated. It was 5 o'clock in the morning when we got the call. We live 5 hours away from his school.
Concerned to say the least, his mother, Sherry Warsh, did everything she could to find out what was happening to her son.
When I called the emergency room to get information, they would not give me any information because my son was 18 years old, and they said that, I'm sorry, we cannot give you information unless you have a power of attorney for health care.
Joey's grandparents were able to get to the hospital and into Joey's room about 45 minutes later, where they found out Joey's illness was stress-related. While they didn't need a trip to the hospital, the stress of not knowing what was going on with their son is still very fresh in the minds of Joey's parents.
I want to make sure that there's no other parent that ever goes through what my husband and I went through.
Sherry, an attorney herself, has now made it her mission to help parents of college-age kids understand the importance of a medical power of attorney. She's written articles and speaks on the subject and encourages parents to get it done before something goes wrong.
I think once they hear my story, my personal story, there's no convincing. People want to make sure that they have it for their child before they leave for school.
She says it's a pretty simple but important process. Ballpark, I guess, how much would it cost for me to do this?
It shouldn't cost very much money. It should be an hour of an attorney's time to actually prepare it and meet with the child to go through it.
There are forms online if you don't want to go through an attorney. Just make sure there is a HIPAA release so you can get medical records and conditions.
I'm good. Everything's good.
Joey, by the way, is doing just fine, married and working in New York City.
Looking back on it, it was definitely scary to know that my parents were trying to check on me or trying to really understand what was going on, that they didn't have access.
Sherry also suggests parents get a property power of attorney. Despite the name, it really has to do with everything financial. This would allow parents to transfer money quick and easy. And she says parents need to ask how to have access to their children's college grades and tuition payments. Sherry says each school is a little different, but without the right paperwork, there is a chance the school could shut you out, even if you're paying the bills. Eric Rung, WGN News.